Okay, greetings Momentum owners. Today we're going to install a couple of extra air conditioner vents in my garage. I understand that a lot of the Momentums come with 4 vents. This one came with 2. So if you only have 2, this is how you can add 2 more. So the first thing I did in order to figure out where the racetrack is I measured inside the vent, found that same spot outside, then I measured from the wall and figured out that the duct is 31 inches to this side. Then I measured the other side, did the same thing, and that gives me 39 inches to this side of the track. I did the same thing on the other side of the garage, and it's the same dimensions, 31 to 39. That gives us an 8-inch ducting. Just to double check and to make sure I knew where that duct went, I took the air conditioning apart and then measured from inside to the other side, which give me 10 inches, which is to the same place. So the next thing I'm going to do is drill my holes here. I know from using my temperature gun that this right here is where the roof joist is. So this is a roof joist, this is a roof joist. They're 16 inches on center. We're going to drill some holes and we'll be back. All right, so now I've cut the hole in the ceiling and the hole in the duct. It's exactly where I thought it would be. The joist is right there. I can feel that I'm pretty much in the center. So the next thing is to use the HVAC tape and fill this gap. And we'll put the vents in and we'll be done. All right, so the hole saw that I used was a 5 3/4 inch ordered from Amazon. That made a hole just slightly smaller than this. So I used my box cutter, trimmed it, made the hole the right size. I've now lined it all with silver HVAC tape. The next step is to insert this 3 screws and it's done. Hopefully this was helpful.